Good morning, Paul here down at the Tenterfield railway station where we're visiting the museum. So come with us and we'll go and have a look inside the museum and see what they've got to offer. So the Railway Museum is open 7 days, 9 till 4, and it'll cost you $7.50 to go in. Children are $4, and there's railway memorabilia, platform gardens, many rail vehicles, model train display, original turntable and much more.
Tenterfield Railway Station was opened in 1886 by Lord Carrington, who was the Governor of New South Wales, and it was officially named the Great Northern Terminus. It is described as being one of the most extensive and handsome buildings on the Northern Line. 100 years on, the building still has its charm and attracts many visitors. We get up to 6,000 visitors every year. The last passenger train departed Tenterfield on the 25th of November 1988, and the station closed the following year. Following its closure, the building and contents remained intact and remained as they were, and have remained as they are for the last century. It was opened as a museum in 1991. It is run by a group of volunteers owned by Rail Heritage, Transport Heritage now, and we're the volunteers and we're the custodians of the museum. Yeah, but railways were, they had lots of garden competitions. They were very, every railway station was entered into a garden competition or could be part of it. And they used to have, which you might remember, lots of pots with petunias in them.
Yeah.
And Tenterfield did win lots of garden competitions.
That's good.
It was just to give pride in workplace.
Yeah. So there we are from the railway train carriage here in Tenterfield, and we just hope that you have enjoyed that. In the meanwhile, happy travelling, and see you later.